Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today it's over at Perth Mint. So we're on the grounds here of Perth Mint, in the sort of eastern part of Perth, just at the top of Hay Street. So there's a stone here on the wall. Let's see what it says. There's a story on the wall there. And the tour guide is just in through that door there. A big jewellery room. Lots of stuff. Lots of diamonds and stuff. It's Argyle diamonds down there.
Holds the record as being the world's biggest solid gold coin. It is real, it is solid. On this side, you'll notice the 4 nines. Those 4 nines signify its minimum gold content. A minimum gold purity of 99.99%. It is 24 karat gold. On this side, there is $1 million face value. This is not circulating currency. But don't laugh, because this is officially legal tender. Under the Australian Coins Act, this has been given an official legal tender amount of $1 million. If this belonged to you and you took it down to the bank manager must accept it for you to pay off your house because it's legal tender. There is no way in the world I'm taking this to the bank if it was mine for $1 million, because this is known as the 1 ton gold kangaroo coin. To be exact, it weighs 1,012 kilos. At today's gold price, this is worth about $95 million. $95 million. And it moves up and down every hour. This is very heavy, and the security feature is in its weight. Too bad. Nobody's picking this up and walking out with it. And just to make sure it's very safe, every afternoon when we close up, we lower it down into this vault here, and we close up the vault. And you know why we do that? Because we don't want George Clooney and the Ocean's 11 guys coming in to steal our coin. But it's making a great movie. Imagine Asia 18 trying to steal the world's biggest 1 ton gold coin. no longer in a liquid state. It's already solidified, solid and red hot gold bar. Way too hot for me to pick up. I will demonstrate it. I'm going to flip it out onto the tray and move it across the water. If I try to pick up this bar of these guys, the guys will catch on fire, so I won't do that. I'll let it sit down instead. Are you ready for a bit of magic, folks? You sure? Look at all that steam. I'm just doing the steam thing because you can't say it's good for my complexion. It's not working, is it? This is 4.6 billion years old. All gold is 4.6 billion years old. It was all created at the same time with the stars. It's come onto this earth. We have removed the impurities and turned it into the bar. The bar itself is 4 years old. Its content is 4.6. We cool this gold between 4 to 7 times every day. It does not lose any of its integrity. It's still soft and it's cool, fairly cool form. It doesn't rust, it doesn't tarnish. It does a great job. This 4.6 million old gold is still way too hot for me to pick up, so I'm going to let it cool down and I'll pick it up in a moment when it's cool enough.
$500,000 worth of gold. Holy moly. So that coin there you're looking at there actually weighs 1 ton. 1 ton of real gold. But it's worth over $19 million in its weight. Pretty cool. These are all real gold nuggets. Gold dust. sure you can see in there.
Looks, isn't it?
Wow. Pretty cool. So that's where the pour was. Just in there where we seen. So this machine here, this weighs you and gives you your price in gold. So holy moly. So my weight is worth 8.2 million. Moly. And before you leave, at the start, you're given these little gold coins, gold coloured coins. If you put that in here, get your own little souvenir. Cool. Alright. Well guys, what do you reckon? That was Perth Mint. So if you're in Perth, I reckon you should call down. The tour is pretty enjoyable. I hope the video done what I was supposed to do. And yeah, until next time guys, see you later. Slán leat.